Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MariaDB debate tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure master slab replication in MariaDB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So key features of master slab replication. So there will be one single master who will handle all the writes, and one or more slabs will handle the reads of the data. So failover is manual unless using external tools. So we can use the external tools that is MHA and other tools are available there. So suitable for the heavy read workload. So just assume that you are going to write with the master and all the reads you can allow with the slab servers. So this is the useful for the disaster recovery scenarios. So when master will go down, then we can just start the database from the slab server also. So in this video, we'll go through the step-by-step guide for the master slab replication in MariaDB on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So this guide will help you to set up the MariaDB replication on the Ubuntu's Linux 24.04 LTS. And we will configuring the MariaDB server and master another server with the slab. We will go through the uh, two node. One node will just consider the master and another node will consider the slab server. So this is the master server IP and this is the slab server IP. I am running both the server in my VMware workstation. So let me start both the server. So I am starting both the server. So installed Ubuntu 24.04 LTS server on the both server 1 and server 2. So server 1 I will consider the master and server 2 I will consider the slab server. So started. Now I am going to access both the server. So I know the IP. So CMD, or you can check with the IP. You can log in on your server. DPT. So I'll go through the first server one. DPT @123. Then IPA. So you can able to see there is 192.168.224.129. So similarly, second one is 130. I know that because configured by me also. So SSH DPT @192.168.224.129. This is my server one. So you can able to see there is a in root user or server one I am. Similarly, I'll go through the second server. So SSH DPT @192.168.224.130. So I have accessed both the server. So side by side, I'll just go through the documentation also. So we have two servers, one is master, the second one is slab. So I'm giving the name. I'm going to rename this one master, this one slab, and so this one master, this one slab. So server one I'm just considering as a master, this one as a slab. Now first I'll just install the MariaDB on the both the server. If you have already installed the MariaDB on both the on your both server, then no need to install. Direct go through the second is the next step. So here I'm going to update and install the MariaDB server. So on both the server, or server one is running, server two I am installing. So after doing this, I'll just enable the MariaDB. So whenever the system will boot, automatically MariaDB will be start. MariaDB database will be start. And for the checking the service of the status of the MariaDB, You can run sudo systemctl status MariaDB. If you want to restart, then place of the status you can replace with the restart. So completed. So both the servers are installed with the MariaDB. Now I am going to enable the MariaDB. So enabled both the servers I have done. Now I want to get the status of MariaDB. So sudo systemctl status MariaDB. Okay. So MariaDB up and running. Okay. So q voice. Okay, stop. The server is stopped. So again, let me start. So ssh dpt at the rate 192.168.224.129. Sudo su. So I have done. It's clear. So this is the master. This is the slave. So I want to know the status. So for the status, I'll just type the code sudo systemctl and status MariaDB. So enter. This is running. And similarly, I'll just run this command to my second slab server also. This is also running. So now next. Okay. Next, we have seen the status. Now I am going to secure my MariaDB installation. So that is for the sudo MySQL secure installation. I don't have any current password, so removing this one. Unique socket authentication, no. You want to change root password? Yes. I'm giving the password admin at the rate 123. Admin at the rate 123. Remove anonymous user? Yes. Disallow remote login? No. Remote test databases are access into is? Yes. And reload the privileges. So I have done. In Slab server also I'm running the same. So none. No. Change root password? Yes. Admin at the rate 123. Admin at the rate 123. Anonymous user? Yes. No. Now I'm going to just remove the test databases and reload the privileges. So done. So thanks for using MariaDB. Okay. So all set. Next, we'll just configure the master. So edit the MariaDB configuration file. Okay. So this is the configuration file path. So let me open into master. So step by step we'll do. So first I'm just open. So I'm going to allow bind address to all the IPs for the now. So 0.0.0.0.0. Next, I'm going to server ID. So we have done this one. Now I need to change the server ID. So the server ID is 1 log bin. I'm going to change this one. MariaDB. Okay. So and bin format will be mixed. Done. So this part is done. I'm going to save and exit. Now I'm going to create the folder log MySQL. and I'm going to give the permission ownership for the MySQL and permission. So done. So we have created the directory, then we have given the ownership, then permission 750. Now restart the MariaDB. So done, successfully started. Next, create a replication user. So side by side we'll do. So create a replication user, login to MariaDB. So just we'll log in MySQL minus U root minus P. Okay, we have done. Now we are going to create user replica for 130 and identify the password that is admin at the 123. And next we are giving the replication grant replication slab on start means all the database replica user, and this is the for IP. And next we'll go for the plus privileges. So one by one we'll run. We'll create the replica user with identified the password admin at the rate 123 means password will be admin at the rate 123. This is a grant permission on the slave, and I'm going to apply the changes. Whatever the configuration changes we have done, we are going to apply into the plus privileges. So next, get the binary log position. So I'm going to get the binary log position. So this is a binary file name, and this is a position 803. So MariaDB bin dot 1 to 5 times 0 then 1. 803. This is my binary position. Okay, I'm changing. So you will use them as a slab server. So note down these values. So we have noted down. Next, configure the slab server. So I'm going to moving to the slab server. This is my slab server. IP is 130. So 192.168.224.130. So I'm just working the same IP. Next, edit MariaDB configuration. So I'm going to open the MariaDB configuration file. So sudo nano, with the nano I'm going to open. So next, okay, so here also I'll give the bind address. For now we are giving the full bind address. So bind address here I'm going to do 0.0.0. So next I'm going to open the server ID. Server ID will be 2 and relay logs. Going to add this one. Okay, so done. Next, I'm just going to create a folder if does not exist the this one binary file. Okay. So same thing, I'm going to run one by one, or you can run at a time also. So this part is also done. Now I am going to restart the MariaDB. Next step, connect to the master log into the MariaDB. Login into the MariaDB. So master, I'm going to log in with the MariaDB. Already we have logged in, I think. Yeah, we have logged in. Now change master to. Okay, wait. Let me check. We are working with the slab server, no? 130. So this will run into 130. Because here I'm just a master host. I'm giving the 129 means this will run into the slab server. So there is a change as per your requirement. So MariaDB log position is okay. This one is 803. Okay. So 803 is there. So I'm going to run this one. So query is okay. 0 rows affected. One warning is there. So now I'm going to start the slab. So done. Replace the master log file and master log position with the value noted in earlier. So we have noted the same, near about same. So we have changed only position 803. Now verify the replication. So in the slab server, I'll just show the status. So here we need to check two important things. There's a slab IO is running, slab SQL is running. This should be both should be yes. So I'm getting this. This is yes. And here you can check with the MariaDB log position, relay log position. So you can able to check. Now both are okay. Means replication is working currently correctly. So next I'm going to test the replication. So on the master server, I'm going to log in and create a database. So here I'll create the database. Create database testdb. So done. Now use testdb. So here previously it was none. Now I'm going to change this one with the testdb. So now I'm going to create a table. So simple command is there, create table name, and then integer primary key, and I'm just posting with the one data. So I'm copying this one. So create table name, table is created. Now show tables. Right. Let me check with the slab server. So databases. You can able to see the testdb. So let me check. Use testdb. Okay. Select extract from this one table name test table. Test table. So table is empty set. Here also I'll run the same query because we have created the test table. So test table we have don't have any data. Now I'm going to insert one data. Insert into test table value is equal to 1 and replica set. So enter. So one row is affected. In the replica server, slab server, you can able to check. So one data is inserted into the table. So now the slab server and database and table is exist. So show the table and whatever I am running, same thing will do. If the data is replicated, your setup is successful. Means data is replicated here. So databases. So here I am able to see 5 databases are there. Now I am going to create one more database. Here is also so databases. So 5 is there. Now I'll just create database Chirag. So enter. Now here you can check. So 6 rows there. So previously it was 5 row. So Chirag is added. Previously Chirag was not there. So we have done this. So for the troubleshooting, you can show the slab status and shows error. Then you can check with the log file wherever your log file reset application. So reset slab all. So you can stop the slab and reset slab all. So it will reset your configuration. Okay, reset replication. Then reconfigure the slab using the change master to command. Means you have to run this command again. Because the log master log file position will be differ and master log position also increase. So now we have completed successfully master slab replication in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and whatever now all the changes of the master will be automatically replicated to the slab server. So for any doubts, just doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process whatever I have shown in the video, and please subscribe and like for the more videos. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.